Hey guys, finally we're going to actually do a nature walk. Except for the ones that we deleted because they always get interrupted. So, Cody, are you going to be in this one? Cody! Are you going to be in this one?
Don't look right in his face.
It's not right in his face.
Yes, right there.
Yeah, okay, this is right on his face.
That's what you just did. Now you just put it. Just get it right in his face.
No, actually, you ruined it, Madeline.
Why?
We're just gonna leave now.
How did you ruin it? You did. You put it in my face. So you ruined it.
I put it back, Cody.
Yeah, but you put it
At the last minute.
Yeah, and he said he shook his head and he said, Cody. Right, Cody?
Whatever, I'm just gonna do a nature walk by myself. So, you see all these houses? Some of them are pretty nice. That house is pretty nice. And let me let you on a secret. That was a very own built-in house. Right now, I really don't know what to do because they're too busy on a stick. In the last videos, there was many interruptions, so there's one of the reasons why we deleted it. Look at the pretty dogs. Isn't this pretty? For the truth, that is,
Oh my God. Her house.
is her house. That guy got loose. Oh, that was a creepy dog. It scared the bejesus out of me. How did that dog exactly get loose? Seriously. We're gonna have to leave. That almost gave me a heart attack. Woo! Holy croissants.
He's getting her right now.
Have a good time.